what is the best for everyone. Kasi before, syempre yung parang hindi pa po, yung masyado pa pong, nandun pa yung mga emotional outburst na parang, di ba, yung parang pag naiinis ka, magpo-post ka, yung parang gano'n, magpaparinig ako dati sa social media. Tapos ngayon, parang, ayun pa pala po yung mga little inconvenience para ang daling masira ng araw ko, gano'n. And sometimes if I lose an opportunity, it would take me months before I get back to my confidence. Kasi I dwell on it eh. I tend to dwell on it. Tapos ngayon, parang sabi ko, what happened? Ay, ang gaan na lang na kasi parang babalik ka lang po dun sa, okay, trust the process, teka lang, pwede ko to i-let go, pwede ko tong pakawalan, pwede ko tong, if masyado mabigat, pwede naman ako mag-reach out kay Coach Lou. Pero so far po parang binabalikan ko pa lang yung mga audio recording. It's working, it's working. Pero kasi siguro nandun na po yung intention na, bakit ko pa papatagalin yung yung emotional na yung bigat ng emotional baggage if I know a tool to let it go.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Unstoppable You NLP Success Journeys. I'm your host, June Acevedo. I'm a mindset mastery and transformational leadership coach and a certified neurolinguistic programming master trainer. And in this episode, we uncover the extraordinary stories of transformation powered by neurolinguistic programming. Today, we're diving deep into one life-changing journey that started with discovering her purest intentions and true sense of purpose. Imagine flipping the script and discovering a version of yourself that's unstoppable. That's the power of NLP, and that's what we're exploring today. Now, allow me to introduce our guest for this evening. RJ Vargas, or Coach RJ, is a storyteller, freelance copywriter, self-published book author, AB NLP certified NLP practitioner. These are just some of the accolades of Coach RJ. She's also one of the rising 70 Filipinos to follow in LinkedIn back in 2020 and one of the top 100 influential Filipino women in LinkedIn in 2021. With all these multi-potentialite identities, what Coach RJ is most proud of is being a champion of the Lord. Now, here's what I want you to think about as you listen. What would happen if you finally overcame all your fear? Again, what would happen if you finally overcame all your fear? That's exactly what Coach RJ is going to reveal to us today. Now get ready, take notes, and watch this as many as you can, and take action. Ayan, hi Coach RJ, how are you? I missed you. Tagal na natin hindi nakapag-connect ulit.
Po, momentum after momentum po talaga, Coach Jun. And even if some things are not in my favor, I really felt the stability na, okay, I know this, I got this. I know how to handle this, yan. Kasi dati po I tend to, talaga to crumble under pressure. But now we're more stabilized and stronger.
So amazing na yung pinagdadaanan natin pare-pareha. Na imagine kung wala tayong tools, we just crumble pag may
Yes.
problema, mukha tayong kawawa. Anong ganap sa buhay mo ngayon, Coach RJ?
Nakakatuwa kasi, Coach Ron, one of my clients now, they're a local pet brand which they found me in LinkedIn. So parang hindi po ako yung nag-apply sa kanila. They found me in LinkedIn and then I just know that it's for me. Tapos parang sabi ko, okay, kahit may ibang copywriters daw silang kino-consider. Siguro kasi yung mga na rin po, yung you just know it in your I just know it in my intuition, and at the same time the way how I observe their body language, which we also studied in NLP. I think this is for me. And then I'm happy that this client with that company na talaga pong SEC registered and all of that. Freelance po yung setup ko. So flexible time, output based. but they gave me all the corporate benefits that they can give, like HMO, 13th month bonus, and then yung leaves na hindi po nagamit, convertible to cash at the end of the year. So sabi ko, wow. And then we also have a weekly delivery from GrabFood na ano rin po, charge to company's expense. So sabi ko, other people would always say na, pag ano kasi, pag local client, baka they're not willing to spend.
Mm.
And yet, I keep on saying, why choose when we can have it all?
Yeah.
Like, bakit freelance or corporate lang? What if you get the best of both worlds? And then yun po, parang na-manifest ko talaga. Kasi what really NLP taught me is, why are you settling for less if you can dream bigger, you can dream higher, and then the steps will just reveal itself to you na, okay, basta nagte-take action ka, pupunta ka rin dun sa goal mo. So that's really what NLP, grabe talaga, coach, 180-degree turn talaga. Kasi ano po I started na studying 2023, yung November na 2023 batch po ng live training ako nakasama. And it felt like parang if I would do all of these things alone, it would take me 5 to 7 years. Pero parang 2 years pa lang. 2 years pa lang halos yung nangyari.
Exactly. Like, alam mo, Coach RJ, the reason there is that tama yung process natin eh. Number one, tama yung
Yes.
proseso natin. Number two, tama din yung mga tao that are
Yes.
supporting you, no? And
Mm.
number three dyan, yung community din. The
Yes.
strength of our community. Ito talaga yung, these are, kumbaga, your investments that you placed here. Hindi lang yung certification, kumbaga, yung kinukuha natin dito, no? It's not only that, but also all the things that are hindi natin nakikita when you decide to be part of our community, Coach RJ.
Yes.
So that's also one thing that I say, no? It takes three things kasi, Coach RJ, again,
Yes.
process, no? Dapat tama yung process natin. So once tama na yung process natin, hindi pa rin sapat. Kailangan pa rin natin ng tao na tutulungan tayo sa process, just like what happened to you with your copywriting. So you
Kasi
know about copywriting, pero you needed mentors then to guide you
yes.
in your copy, no? So that's what's amazing with you. So ang galing,
Kasi
ang galing.
po Coach, I realized na if you notice in the ancient times and even kahit sa sarili po nating historical background, those who have really grown, they are from a tribe, a community. Yung talaga nagtutulungan po sila na like my system, like my healer, may mga datu. So parang sabi ko, parang naulit lang siya in modern times na we have a mentor, someone also acts out as a team player, supporting, and then yung mga, ako, I really embrace na po yung role ko sa community na if I know someone
Yeah.
who would really benefit from NLP, why would I withhold? Well, di ko po gine-gatekeep ko talaga. Sabi ko, naku, ito talaga yung nakatulong sa akin.
Thank you. Thank you for that, Coach RJ. It's also you kasi, you deciding to play 100% and take action. For tayo kasi, nag-invest na tayo dito, lubos-lubusin na natin, right? If magbabago naman yung buhay natin and makuha natin yung
Yes.
gusto natin, bakit hindi?
Siguro
So,
kwento ko na rin, coach, yun kasi as early as I think 2021 or 2022, na na po talaga, I've been guiding people, I've been helping people. Pero ang hirap po kasi nung parang, ano yung ginagawa ko? Hindi ko alam yung ginagawa ko if I need to explain it in words or nuances. Kasi kumbaga sa pagpe-play po ng instrument, parang I just play by the ear. So
mm-hmm.
parang ang hirap 'di ba na what if they ask me how you do this? Hindi ko masabi. So parang ayun na po I got the chance to talk with Ken Sumera, 'di ba naging guest niyo rin po siya dito. Then siya na po yung parang nag-affirm sa akin na you know what, things that you're doing now are some concepts in NLP. Mag-aral ka ng NLP. So parang sabi ko, wow, as early as 2022 or 2021 po ata yun, parang narinig ko na yung ano po ng NLP na aligned sa ginagawa ko. Pero ano po, when I ask about Ken, sabi niya, kasi hindi pa kami yung talagang nagsa-certify sa Philippines. Tapos, he mentioned your name. Tapos yun na po yung sabi ko, ang galing nagsunod-sunod na parang when I followed you few weeks after or few months, yun na po, yun inopen niya na ulit yung enrollment na kasi meron ulit for the next batch. So sabi ko, yun po yung investment na nandun yung fear pero nauuna yung excitement. Sabi ko, this is the same feeling I did when I started in copywriting na sabi ko, pag nauna yung excitement over fear, I know it's already a guaranteed na win for me. It's just a matter of when. Pero, yung sabi ko, sige, 5 years to, para hindi ko ma-pressure sarili ko. Nagulat ako, parang, wow, so many happen in just a year or two.
Right. More than
Galing.
ROI ka pa, di ba? More than ROI.
Yes, kasi ano po the ROI is not just financially, but yung talaga yung stability of your heart, of your mind. And then you always now I always see the best in people, but now nandun na po yung layer na parang maybe I can use this NLP concept, maybe this. So parang hindi ko na po kinakapa because I already now have the tools, or it's like the deck of cards that anytime if I pull out a card, I know that this is the NLP concept for this. Yung parang kasi nagko-coaching call na rin po ako na people are just asking the questions, yung kinakwento pa lang nila. Para nagsisynthesize na po sa brain ko na, ano to, yung ganitong concept to, naaral namin to, nag-break ano session pa kami na coach dun. Parang ano po siya, nagsusurface ng kusa. That's why it's really so good to study the modality that resonate with you, and NLP really, kumbaga tinawag po talaga ako kasi the signs are it kept on affirming my gifts. So that's why I really enjoy doing it, and ano po siya, na-synthesize ko talaga maigi sa copywriting
Yeah.
with how I guide people now with my mindset reframe coaching. So sabi ko, ang gaan. Sabi ko, dapat pala maaga na ako enroll, pero baka aligned mentor ko talaga si Coach Jun, kaya talaga the timing is always right.
The timing is always right. And also, this is one thing that I learned from last weekend. Di ba, I was assisting yung 3-day hypnosis na certification. And then, ito yung sinabi ng trainer that really parang blew my mind. Sabi niya, in the training that we did, right? Ano yung sasabi ko? Trust your unconscious mind. Trust your
Yeah.
unconscious mind. Overwhelm natin yung unconscious mind nyo. And exactly, that was what's happening. In-explain niya, sabi niya, when you are in that learning state, no, yung ginawa natin ng learning state, your unconscious mind will just absorb everything.
Yes.
And then sabi niya, sooner or later, your conscious mind will catch up.
Yes, you parang it will just resurface anytime you do it.
Yes. And then after a while, 'di ba kasi parang automatic na lumalabas. Pero after a while, naiintindihan na natin, ito pala yung ginagawa ko. This is what's happening. This is kumbaga, reframe to or all the presuppositions. So, that's what's
Yes,
happening, no? Kasi yung
anchoring
unconscious mind
it.
and conscious mind, nag-iisa sila. Nagtutulungan
Yes.
sila.
Opo.
So, and
Galing.
maganda kasi is that all of us, we already do NLP eh. If you think about it, right? Pero
We're just
unconsciously,
not aware. Yes.
hindi lang tayo aware. Yung ginagawa lang natin is we teach it so that people, lahat tayo, we use it consciously already. No, pag
Yes.
tinanong ko to, ano yung result na gusto ko? Pag binigay ko yung story na to, ano yung resulta na gusto ko, right? When you write it in your copies, ano ba yung effect sa readers? So, not only to you, for you, alam mo, hindi lang sa'yo, but also for me, when I'm the one who writes my copy for my Facebook ads. So, iba't
Kasi,
din, right? That's why nag-resonate tayo.
yes. Kasi what's really good with NLP kasi Coach Jun, yung talagang parang hindi na siya yung I need to convince people. Sometimes it's just as simple as magkukuwento lang ako tapos biglang ano nag-ano na sila, na-persuade na sila. They keep on messaging me na, "Oh, I like this post. Can you tell me more about it?" So parang sabi ko, mas effortless na po ako ngayon
Yeah.
Pero yung efficiency, it really tripled or even times 5. Na sabi ko, parang grabe ako mag-effort dati pero I don't see the results that I want to see. With NLP, ay yung nabawasan po yung kumbaga yung gigil ko na
Yeah.
mag-effort. Yet the efficiency talaga nag-skyrocket na sabi ko. Minsan nga Coach, yung parang iniisip ko pa lang biglang andiyan na, may opportunity na, or parang someone chatted me na, "How are you? I have an opportunity for you," gano'n. So parang sabi ko, eto na nga yun, parang that's why I also love learning pa po So I really collect books, tapos yung iba po pong mga inaaral ko in different field like copywriting, marketing, storytelling. Kasi nandun na po ako na parang NLP taught me na you just need to do things because you want it. And then time will come that you will be able to apply it anytime that you need it in the best possible way na ano mo talaga po, yung signature mark mo. Like, for example, if I see this, alam ko si Coach Jun na to. If I see this, ano, ito yung approach ni na Coach Maris. Yung parang ganon. Parang may mga nuances na rin po tayo. That's why I also want to see more people stepping up to guide others. Kasi ako po, ano eh, ang naging strength ko talaga, Coach Jun, is I think I'm a generalist.
Mm.
Like, when people come to me, that's why I have the Align Sage branding kasi parang yung pag sage po kasi parang yung mga ermitanyo
Yeah.
sa bundok na magtatanong pero pag binigay ko yung guidance sa kanila, hindi ko na sila kailangan samahan sa next stage. Unlike other coaches na strength po talaga nila, sasamahan pa sila
Yeah.
sa next stage. So, isa din po sa talagang nag-affirm sa ano sa strength ko is I need collaboration with other coaches kasi parang what if yun na kayo na-loosen na po yung grip nila na oo kailangan ko mag-aral ng NLP and then I can ano na po yung I can recommend them na okay follow mo na si Coach yun kasi siya talaga yung nagsa-certify dito sa atin sa Philippines. Kumbaga I'm one of the success stories. I can just help with you loosening your grip or you letting go of the yung parang limiting belief. But yung talagang in-depth, si Coach Jun na. So yun po yung parang naging strength ko na there is really power in collaboration and in a very helpful community. Kaya masaya po ako ngayon na sabi ko anything that I want binibigay sa akin na it's not just faith but it's also taking action and us asking for help and then andun na rin po yung accountability na, eto, nakakaharang pa 'tong ugali kong 'to sa success ko. So, I have to let it go unti-unti and ang galing lang eh, coach, sabi ko, ano, ay oo nga 'no, naaral ko 'to. Tapos titingnan ko yung handouts ko. Tapos sabi ko, oo nga 'no, naaral ko. Tapos papakinggan ko yung audio recording. Kasi you really have an additional and powerful knowledge kapag second, third time mo
Yeah.
siyang inaral because it already comes now with a deeper awareness and that self-consciousness na, ito na pala yung ginagawa ko, sige nga ulitin ko pang aralin. So ayun coach dun sabi ko, it's one of the scariest investment I did but ang gaan nung naging talon talaga. Sabi ko if someone would see me years ago saka ngayon parang, "Anong ginawa mo?" Gano'n yung magiging tanong nila, "What did you do?" NLP. It's easy to say NLP, yun po.
Alam mo, I could resonate with that, Coach RJ. Kasi if people could see me before, no,
Yes,
yung
yes.
mga hindi nakakilala sa akin, and
Mhm.
what more, yung mga nakakakilala sa akin, no, I tell
Oo.
people in our organization that,
Yes, yes,
sabi
yes.
ko, bro and sis, you've seen me when I was starting out. But with all these things that's happening in my life, there's a possibility for us to change talaga, no? It's syempre faith with the Lord, and also
Yes,
all the things that the Lord will give us, the tools and techniques that the Lord will give us. For me kasi NLP and timeline therapy are just tools eh. Tools
yes.
to kumbaga help us answer our prayers, no? And
Yes, yes.
it's a way that to affirm that for me the Lord is there, no?
Mm.
Na hindi tayo pinapabayaan ni Lord kasi yung mga hinihingi natin binibigay talaga. Pero syempre, hindi naman magiging madali. We have to deserve it, no?
Yes.
That's
Oo.
why, 'di ba, knock and the door shall be open. No?
Yeah.
It doesn't mean that ibibigay niya lahat diyan sa loob. So you still bibigyan tayo ng opportunity. We have to still work for the
Yeah.
opportunity.
Saka
So,
ano po,
mm,
nakakatuwa rin kasi coach to add din that yung parang NLP made me open my mind to interconnect everything that I am
yeah.
studying. Kasi parang ano po ibabalik siya na halimbawa inaaral ko po 'to sa, lesson sa Bible or eto sa copywriting. Tapos parang bigla na lang yung isip ko na, yung concept ng NLP ganito connected dito.
Yeah.
So parang
And
'di ba other people they tend to, nagka-clash kasi kaya hindi ko yan puwede aralin. Ako po what happened to me is lalo ko siyang na-synthesize. Because NLP has so many concept that it's easy for me now to use it as a toolbox.
yeah.
Na, okey ito yung kailangan ko yung parang ayan may martilyo ko, may ano ko, may saw, may ano ko, yung mga screwdriver gano'n. So sabi ko, it's really in the intention, yun na nga po yung paulit yung nire-remind because I'm more than ready when I studied NLP. It becomes so easy for me to apply all the concepts. And sabi ko, naglalaro pa nga lang po ako ngayon. Sabi ko, what if kaya if I become more strategic pa? Kasi sabi ko
Yeah.
parang ang gaan lang talaga, Coach Yun. Kaya thank you po kasi siyempre if you did not take the step to be one of the master coaches po dito and master practitioners, parang sabi ko, sino magse-certify sa amin? Kasi sabi ko, I really prayed for a Filipino mentor na NLP magse-certify. Kasi syempre iba po yung nuance if
Yeah.
in our own culture to teach us, to mentor us. And then ayun sabi ko, okay, 2023 was the answered prayer. Was the time for that answered prayer.
And I believe Filipinos deserve world-class Coach RJ. Yan
Yes,
talaga
yes,
yung mindset ko eh. Yung parang, bakit pa tayo sa labas eh pwede naman dito and same or better level, no?
yes.
Compared to other schools there. That's why ayoko kasi yung kayo pag let's say you meet other NLP practitioners from abroad, yung parang ma-insecure kayo sa kanila. Ayoko
Mm.
yung ganyan. Gusto ko na pag nami-meet mo sila, you could just communicate, you could easily connect with each other, you know that you
Yes,
understand each other, and walang limit. That's what I
yes,
want for you, na mga students ko. Kasi when I would communicate with them, they would listen. Right?
yes,
Sabi ko, then
yes,
dito ko naisip na, yeah, kapare-pareha lang pala tayo. And when we really deep dive here, we become better.
yes.
We are better, no? So, yeah, let's start, coach, no? So, ano na 'yon? Grabe, sobrang dami na ng ano natin, insights, no? Hindi pa tayo
Go
nagsa-start.
lang po.
So,
I have all the time.
sige. So, coach, let me ask you this, no? So, coach, could you take us back to the moment when everything changed in your life? Ano ba yung breaking point or yung wall that you were facing nung time na yun? Before you reached out to me about NLP, ano ba yung pinagdadaanan mo nung time na yun, coach?
As a background, coach, yun, I am a freelance sales copywriter. I have been writing since 2014. Passion ko po talaga yung pagsusulat. As in, high school pa lang ako. Now, syempre, along the way, there are struggles, there are questions, yung mga midlife crisis, ganun. So, when I was in 24 to 28 years old, nandun pa yung talaga ang daming tanong na ano ba talaga para sa akin, ayoko na magsulat, I keep on failing here. Until I got into copywriting along with my copywriting mentors, community. So, na-overcome ko na po yung survival stage. However, around 2020, I think, or 2021, dun naman po ako nakaramdam na parang nasa akin na yung mga pinag-pray ko dati. Bakit malungkot pa rin ako? Bakit kulang pa din? Why is there still a void? I already got what I want. So parang sabi ko, along the way I realized that it's because I just dream and achieve things for myself. Paano naman yung mga taong nasa paligid ko? So I start to help more my family, even strangers online. I give free calls, ganun. Tapos parang doon ko na po na-realize na it's not enough that I have good intentions. Dapat aral ako. Yun yung palagi ko po sinasabi. Dapat aral ako. I should know what I'm doing. Hindi pwedeng kinakapa ko lang. So kasi the right intention with the wrong actions, hindi pa rin maganda yung result. And then, ayun na po, sabi ko, ano yung ginagawa ko? Yun na po yung next ko prayer kay Lord. Lord, ano yung ginagawa ko in guiding people when they have problem? Tapos sinasabi nila, gumagaan yung loob nila pagkausap ako or na-share. Sabi ko, ano yung ginagawa ko? And then, ayun na nga po, I got the encounter with Ken Sumera in a freelance community. Tapos nung nagkukuwento ako kung ano na po yung ginagawa ko sa mga free coaching call, he would say na, "Oh, mga concept na yan ng NLP." Sabi ko, naririnig ko na NLP dati pero parang it's too technical for me since wala pa nga po ako masyadong, kumbaga kilalang nagdi-deep dive na turo, ganyan. Then ayun na nga po, yung I asked Ken if they're certified, sabi niya, hindi pa, eh. Alam mo follow mo si June Acevedo." So yun, yun po talaga yung wala na siyang wala na po siyang intro-intro, wala na siyang ibang choices, one and only name. So sabi ko, malinaw na leading na 'to ni Lord. Then I followed yung Coach June tapos grabe yung timing na parang, sakto you're opening the program, yung
Mm.
4-in-1 sabi ko, this is it, sabi ko, Kasi ano since na-experience ko na po yung both the highs and lows of life na I experienced the rock bottom na parang where do I where do I really am in this life? Para saan ba ako? Ano ba yung calling ko? Ano yung purpose ko? Tapos nung ipinigay na sa akin yung power ng writing and opportunities, parang, oh, why am I still sad? Bakit may void pa rin? Ganon. So parang I experienced both the sadness of yung lowest of low and highest of high. Kailangan lang po pala talaga ng balance and harmony. And then, doon ko na po, kasi I always have that fascination kasi Coach Jun na, let's see lang, parang I don't want to pressure myself, dapat may result agad.
Yeah.
Dapat, hindi pwede kasing ganun kasi parang malulus ko yung excitement and yung eagerness kapag pinilit ko po yung sarili ko na may result agad dapat. So sabi ko, oh, sige, I'll study this and for 5 years. Kukunin ko yung ROI ko na 5 years. Tapos, maybe because I just trust the process. And then things are just, yung parang nag-connect na lang sila na, ganito lang pala siya kadali in a way na, why am I suffering before if there is a better way? So yung sabi ko, kumbaga hindi po siya yung madali in the sense na wala akong ginawa, but it's more of hindi ko naman pala kailangan mag-suffer Hindi ko naman pala kailangan maging miserableng tao I don't need to reach the desperate level. If there are already available ways and tools. Tapos ayun nga, sumakto pa po na a Filipino mentor already is certifying here. Kaya sabi ko, ayun, isa ako sa mauunang student niya before maging mainstream sa Philippines yung NLP. Kaya po, Coach, na I'm so happy to say na I know I made the right decision because before I met you, I experienced the highs and the lows and alam ko po yung hinahanap ko Alam ko yung wala pa sa akin. Alam ko yung parang wala pa akong sagot do sa mga tanong ko na hindi pa kulang pa kasi pala yung ginagawa ko na I've been so selfish doing things for myself. Paano naman yung mga tao na sa paligid ko? Then, ayun, nag-connect na po na, oh nga no, the happiest people in my network are those who are really serving, not just themselves, but their family, their community, their favorite advocacy, charities, and ayun, I already understand that energy kasi nandun na rin po ako ngayon.
Galing, ang galing. So inspiring, Coach RJ. And alam mo, while you're sharing, I'm also learning a lot from you, Coach RJ, no? And so that's why I always tell people that despite my level right now, it's just, kumbaga, it's just a label, no? It's just a
Yes.
label. I still have a long way to go. I still learn a lot of things, not only from other NLP trainers, but to you, my students, no? Kasi
Yes.
you apply it differently Ina-apply nyo yung mga tools and techniques differently in your life. So the more that you apply it, the more amazing. This is how Coach RJ applied it.
Yes.
This is how Coach Maris applied it. So ako mismo, right now, while you're sharing, ang sabi ko, "Oo nga, no? Why didn't I think of that?" It's so amazing, Coach
Yes.
RJ. Coach, ano yung mga specific NLP tool or tools or techniques that immediately shifted your perspective? Yung natutunan mo siya, parang amazing, bakit hindi ko to alam? And then, yun yung parang ginagamit mo kaagad, no? In helping others, helping yourself.
Ang madalas ko nagagamit are meta questions, metaphors, and then the chunk up and chunk down. Then yung mga presuppositions po kasi I cannot really forget na everything that we need is already inside us. And then people are doing the best that they can. So
Yes.
parang sabi ko, yung iba po kasi yung parang I would still love to restudy, but this concept, sila po yung super dali talagang nagre-resurface sa akin because there are consistent patterns among people who are asking for my help and my guidance. And those same patterns, ito rin po yung mga concepts that they can easily apply to
Yeah.
themselves. So yun, sabi ko yung parang for example, sa metaphor na why are you pressuring yourself to be like your idol coach, your idol mentor? Di ba? Yun na nga po yung favorite kong metaphor na hindi naman pwedeng sabihin ng eagle sa dolphin na hindi ka successful kasi hindi ka marunong lumipad. Sila na po yung nag-a-analyze after that. Tapos sasabihin na lang nila, grabe, kinilabutan ako dun.
Ang galing, Coach. Ang galing talaga, Coach. Galing, kahit ako rin. Such a great metaphor, no? Just that one-liner.
Yes, oo.
Liners enough to break the resistance of people, no? Imagine, eagle ka, tapos compare mo sa dolphin. So,
Yes, kasi sabi ko, you have your own strength eh. But, it's up to you. Kasi yun po yung parang ano ko, I help people to find back their conviction, but I rarely give them what they need to do next. Kasi usually, alam na po nila eh, yung susunod nilang gagawin. But nandun yung fear na, tama ba to? Bakit ako lang mag-isa yung gumagawa nito? Parang iba to. So I help them to give that conviction. Like yun na nga po, yung sinabi ko metaphor kanina. And for meta questions, I got this question po from a book na Who Moved My Cheese
yeah.
from
Mm.
Spencer Johnson na what will you do if you're not afraid? Tapos ang dami nilang sinasagot, ang dami nilang sinasabi. Sabi ko, oh, alam mo pala eh, if ano yung gusto mong gawin. Now, all you need to do now is to do it fearlessly. Yun, kaya sabi ko, totoo nga po yun na everyone knows what they want because all the resources they have is already inside them. Ang nakikita ko po talagang common na struggle is it's just their mind is blocking them.
Yeah.
Their negative patterns are blocking them and when they let it go, magugulat na lang ako, RJ, ang dami ko ng na-submit na pitch sa client. Uy, natapos ko na to. Yung parang sila na po yung nag-update sa akin. Nakakatawa.
Ang galing, ang galing, coach. Ang galing, coach. Coach, can you describe the moment when you felt the breakthrough? Ano yung parang feeling doon? No? Yung nag-click na talaga lahat. Parang, let's say, during the program or even after the program when everything just clicked. I think sa'yo, before pa eh. When you were listening to the audios, nag-click na dahan-dahan, right?
Kasi ano eh, Coach, I'm a very highly intuitive person. So, if I know that things would really do well for me, ang lakas po kasi talaga nung intuition ko na parang, 'di ba sabi po nila sa mga basketball player, I think it's from Kobe Bryant, yung he knows that when he threw that ball, papasok yung bola kahit crucial na yung game kasi he just knows that he prepared enough, he does it confidently. So ako parang nandun na rin po ako sa stage na total matagal nang ready yung heart ko, yung intentions ko. So, the rest, NLP just magnified that
Yeah.
intention for me to do well and to do better and to step up in life. Pero hindi ko lang po in-expect na ganito kabilis and ganito kalaki yung pag-magnify na sabi ko, I got a dream client sa Taiwan, tatapos ko po yung hulog ng property. I had treated my mama kasi ano may papa already passed away when I was a teenager. So, I treated my mama sa ano po, yung mga different travel, and then if my brothers need something from me, parang it's so easy na mahanapan ng paraan. Hindi lang po sa financial, but yung parang effort, time, even to friends, yung parang nandun lalo yung eagerness ko na how can I give more value from my overflow. Yun din naman po kasi palagi kang reminder sa mga tao na you give from your overflow and not from your empty cup. Because if you still have an empty cup, fill it up first for yourself. Para pag umapaw ka na, yun na yung i-share mo sa ibang tao, yung apaw mo na. Whether it's time, finances, skills. When I was starting in freelancing, ang umaapaw po sa akin is time. So yun, I give my time to help others, critic their copy, or help them how to pitch for clients. Ngayon po na kahit papano, God has blessed us more if I want to help my favorite charity, nakakapagbigay na po tayo. So sabi ko, everything just magnified with an overflow here in NLP na the moment po kasi talaga eh, na inaaral ko palang sabi ko, ito pala yun. Hindi ko lang alam how to put words
Yeah.
before. Ito pala yun. I have been doing this but it's not enough po kasi na nagagawa ko lang siya by action or people would just affirm me. Hahanapin mo talaga yung what is the process behind it.
Yeah. I agree.
Yun. And that's what NLP gave me na I already know the process behind. I can explain kumbaga pag di ba yung nung ano nga po tayo elementary na pero paano mo na solve? Sasabihin ko dati hindi ko alam eh basta ganyan lang lumabas. Ngayon kahit po baliktarin yung equation, kayang-kaya ko na with the help of NLP.
I agree. That's the difference between doing it and getting certified eh.
Yes,
That's the difference between just learning it, na yung parang binabasa mo lang sa book, and
yes.
also kung minsan yung parang self-paced lang compared
Mm,
to getting certified talaga from someone who knows what they're doing. Kasi you yourself, when you go out there, you understand already the process, so you can create, di ba? Ita-chunk up mo, magcha-chunk up ka
yes, yes.
ng mga process behind that, and then or chunk lateral, no? Yung chunk lateral mo,
Tama.
anong pwede? What's other techniques na pwede kong makuha dito sa NLP? Ano yung pwede kong magawa from what I've learned? And just
Yes,
like the intention should match the action, no?
yes,
Tama yung sinabi mo, coach, eh? Because let's say you have the heart to perform operations, right? Gusto mong tumulong kasi maraming nagkaka-brain cancer, pero wala ka namang kumbaga background in medicine. Hindi ka naman lang nag-aral sa neurology, right? Nandiyan yung heart mo, but that's very important that we also qualify ourselves. We
yes,
qualify ourselves. The intention should be there, but at the same time, you need to also be the best in what you do.
yes.
No, alam mo, coach, one friend of mine, she opened my eyes because before NLP, I was already giving talks. I would be invited to give talks to corporations, and hindi ko alam na yun rin, no? NLP na rin pala yung mga binibigay ko ng mga principles. And she asked me, Jun, may mga trainings ka ba? Did you do trainings for that? And I told her,
Mm.
hindi, kasi it was based on the books that I
Oo,
read,
yung
yung
parang
parang,
kinakapalang din natin,
yes,
'di ba?
kinakapa ko lang, no? But it was getting results. Parang
Mm,
nakakaresulta na. And NLP just, no, biglang, ito pala yun, bakit nag-work siya?
mm.
Ito
Oo,
pala yun, bakit nung binigay ko yung kwento na to, nag-work yung kwento na to.
yes.
No, just, everything just made sense. And what's amazing, as practitioners kasi, kumbaga we think and breathe
Walking
NLP
that
na. Oo, puro
yes,
NLP na lang, di ba? Pag nagsasalita tayo, hindi natin na namamalayan na, kumbaga NLP na pala yung mga sinasabi natin, Coach RJ, no? Coach,
yes.
how has your transformation inspired or impacted the people around you? No, let's say your mother or your partner, no, the people around you, yung mga close sa'yo sa buhay mo. And even your freelancing community, Coach RJ.
Nakakatuwa kasi Coach Jun na may consistent, yung consistent po kasi nila pagkakakilala sa'kin is makuwento talaga akong tao. Then ngayon po kasi nandun na yung awareness ko na, what is the good for everyone? What is the best for everyone? Kasi before siyempre yung parang hindi pa po yung masyado pa pong nandun pa yung mga emotional outburst na parang 'di ba yung parang 'pag naiinis ka magpo-post ka, yung
Mm.
parang gano'n. Magpaparinig ako dati sa social media ta's ngayon parang yung ayun yung pa pala po yung mga little inconvenience para ang daling masira ng araw ko, gano'n.
Mm.
And sometimes if I lose an opportunity, it would take me months before I get back to my
Mm.
confidence. Kasi I dwell on it, eh, I tend to
Yeah.
dwell on it. Ta's ngayon parang sabi ko, "What happened?" Ay, ang gaan na lang na kasi parang babalik ka lang po dun sa, okey, trust the process, teka lang puwede ko 'to i-let go,
Mm.
puwede ko 'tong, pakawalan, puwede ko 'tong, if masyadong mabigat puwede naman ako mag-reach out kay coach dun. Pero so far po parang binabalikan ko pa lang yung mga audio recording, it's working, it's working. Pero kasi siguro nandun na po yung intention na bakit ko pa papatagalin yung ano, yung emotional na, yung bigat ng emotional baggage if I know a tool to let it go. If I know a tool to yung kumbaga transform that emotion into a positive one. Like for example, stubborn naman po talaga ako, but now nandun na yung stubbornness for a good cause, like, I will not give this up. I will just find another way how to get this same goal. So kumbaga naging stubborn na po ako ngayon in a good way. So yun po,
Reframe.
opo yun, reframe.
Reframe.
Ganda rin, 'di ba? Ganda rin po approach. Tas sabi ko, kasi sometimes people hate the thing that could possibly their gift or
Mm.
yung uniqueness and advantage nila, other people. So parang natutulungan ko rin po sila mag-reframe na, what if ganito yung intention mo with that same energy, with that same passion. Ta's yun nakakatuwa lang coach yun na sabi ko, Kasi sa akin po parang wala na lang 'tong ginagawa ko, na parang nagkukuwento lang ako.
Yeah.
Pero laking impact sa mga tao na parang grabe sage talaga siya, gumagana pa sila. Sage talaga siya, napapaisip ako. Para talaga siya ermitanyo. Kasi siguro, sabi nga po nila, if we already unlock our superpower, tayo mismo hindi natin alam or hindi tayo aware how much of an impact it has created. Yung parang may isa po ako story nabasa na, yung sometimes para tayong yung broken pail na kahit nagdadala tayo ng water papunta doon sa ano, dun sa susunod na location, pero yung mga tumutulo na tubig, may mga tumutubo na po pala na ano, plant. So sometimes we're not aware that we're like a broken pail na yes, we're still able to, do our main goal. But along the way, people are watching us. People are seeing na minsan nga po hindi na nila ma-explain, na parang basta magaan loob ko 'pag binabasa ko yung post niya and I need her help. Gano'n po yung sinasabi sa'kin, eh. I need your help kasi ang tagal ko na binabasa post mo, ikaw talaga yung kailangan ko for this one, gano'n. Tas sometimes nga po parang alam mo naghahanap talaga ako ng offer, eh. Eh, nakita ko nag-o-offer ka ng coaching call, talagang tas eto pa Coach Jun, dati kasi parang people that I help are usually newbies before. Ngayon nagugulat ako, nakukuha ko po yung attention ng mga malalaking tao sa'min sa freelance. Like, some of them are already earning, seven-figure MMR kasi meron na po silang sariling agency,
Mm.
sariling, employee. So, they could already multiply their skills and their efforts through the people that they're hire. Tapos sabi ko minsan napapaisip ako na, ano ano pa kailangan niya sa'kin, eh, wala pa naman ako sa level na yun in terms of career. Tapos magugulat na lang po ako na, other areas of their life I can really help
Yeah.
kasi nakuha ko na yung fulfillment ko dun sa part na yun. Tapos parang I've been called different ano po yung parang different na ano, moniker ng mga tao na, para kang ano RJ, fire starter. Kasi pagkausap kita parang may nagigising na fire ulit sa'kin. Ta's yun yung iba parang, I felt glimmer sa'yo. Ikaw para kang nag-i-ignite. Yung mga sila sila na po yung nagbibigay sa'kin ng mga moniker. Sabi ko, kaya dun ko na po na-connect na, okay, I really help people realize what they can do without me telling them what to
Yeah.
do.
Maybe.
Kasi iba po yung feeling ko na parang ang saya pala na nahanap ng tao yung gusto nila, pero hindi ko sila dinidiktahan.
Yeah.
But just a mere yung kumbaga nagpapalitan lang po ng ano, ng insights, applying the NLP techniques, consciously now. Pero hindi po nila napapansin na, yun na yun. Kasi 'pag ine-explain ko po na parang, alam mo yung ganito kailangan open yung heart mo, gano'n. Eh, dahil open yung heart mo, naintindihan mo ako, gano'n po. Kaya ayun po, thank you din po Coach na you're really starting to do more content
Yeah.
kasi more people really need to know this to reach out po din sa inyo.
Alam mo, that has been my parang limiting belief or block last
Before.
year. Yeah, 'di ba? I had to overcome that. I told myself kasi parang what happened, coach, I was so complacent, no? Yung parang I became so
Mm.
complacent with yeah, the certifications, the students that I was having, and then
Opo.
it's my unconscious mind. No? I feel that it was the Lord telling me na, June, parang hindi yan yung purpose ko para sa'yo, ah. Yung parang iilan lang yung natutulungan mo with that one, no? And syempre, iilan lang din yung kumbaga nagle-level up din, no? Para to help more people just like you. You're helping kumbaga thousands of people. And I feel that this time around, this year, sabi ko, I need to give back, no? Just like what I shared, we need to give back. We need to kumbaga share our overflow. No,
Yes, yes,
for me, the overflow that I have right now is the knowledge and wisdom that I
yes.
was able to get. And sabi ko, bakit ko itatago to? No, so syempre, not everyone can afford the program eh. Not everyone can afford the programs. Eh, paano naman sila kung hindi sila maka-afford? Kumbaga, wala na silang pag-asa. At least, yung videos, the content that I
Yes.
release, they could just study it and siguro mabago nila yung buhay nila. And at the
Mm.
same time, in the future, they could already afford, no? They could already afford that, no? But
Kasi I
in
really believe po with every content that you're putting out, you're planting the seeds and
ayun,
they're the ones who will nurture that. So yung seed na yon sila na po bahala if it will grow into hope, into
Yeah.
conviction, into power. Kasi ano po, eh, basta 'pag may impact talaga tayo nagawa na yung feeling na parang paulit-ulit bumabalik na, "Ano nga ulit yung sinabi dun sa
Hmm.
video? Ah, ganito." Ta's minsan hahanapin pa po nila sa ano niyo, sa timeline niyo kailan niyo yun pinost. Kasi once people felt that yung planting that seed of hope, tutubo na po yun, eh. It kasi ganun din po yung nangyari sa'kin na I kept on searching until it finally grew so much mayabong na na puno.
Alam mo, Coach RJ, I'm just so thankful and grateful that you reached out, no? And alam
Oo.
mo, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord that ikaw ngayon yung third ko na guest because
Thank you.
because you helped me kumbaga start the year right eh. Yan, yung,
Yeah.
alam mo yung parang ikaw yung nagko-coach sa akin ngayon. You're the one coach. Kaya yan yung nangyari even last week yung kay Coach Ken and then kay Coach
Oo,
Mantis. You
yes.
were, they were just sharing their life to me and at the same time while I was listening, parang ako yung kino-coach nila, yung parang thank you Lord. I need this, no? I need the reminder. And
Oo,
this is just such a kumbaga heaven sent din. No? That's tama ka, tama ka. We need to give on our overflow, Coach RJ.
mm,
And
yes.
just a great reminder kasi minsan when we do videos, ako kasi when I do videos, parang ba nanonood talaga ng mga videos ko na to?
Opo, parang we're doubting pero what if God sees the unseen na ayun na yun, eh, kaya kaya tayo pinapa-step up kasi God already knows the result but it's our character and faith na need pa po talagang ma-polish na, gagawin ko 'to whether may result or wala kasi in one way or another we are learning. We are always learning. Hmm,
Yung mindset ko nga ngayon, Coach RJ, when I post a video, it's really for my children eh. Sabi ko
yeah,
kumbaga when they grow up, they could watch my videos and at the same time they could learn, no? Kung
yeah.
kumbaga not
Hmm.
directly from me, pero at least when they watch the videos at makikita nila yung mga content ko that could
Yes, yes.
slowly change their life. Na, oo, ito pala yung mga kumbaga belief ni Papa when they would grow up. And sana yung mga partners nila, they would watch then the videos and also
Yeah.
learn something from them. No? That has been my mindset ngayong year na to, no? So for other people then and for my children along the
Mm.
way, no? So coach, if you could go back and give advice to the version of yourself na nagsa-struggle, yung dating Coach RJ, what would you say to that Coach RJ? To that RJ na lang. Yeah.
Siguro ano po, kasi this had been my belief now na every one of us has the power to break generational cycles.
Yeah.
And when we break that generational cycle, it will be the starting point to build generational legacies. Because realize that why are there people na bata pa lang, ang dami na nagawa, or even in their old age, ang dami nilang bagong ginagawa. Because they believe that they can do it. And with that belief, nahahanapan na po nila ng paraan eh na parang, what if humingi ako ng tulong dito? What if I do this creatively? So that belief is what would really start with us cutting those cycles and us building those legacies, which would really benefit generations after us. And syempre, we need also to stop the generational curses that's already negatively affecting not just us but people around us. So I would really love to tell myself that you're on your way to build generational legacies because you're about to destroy more and cut more generational cycles.
Woo! Grabe. It's just so inspiring, Coach. No? Even for me, just listening to you, everyone, every story. That's why I love doing this. I love
Yes.
listening to people's stories. No, what more sa mga students ko. No,
Uh,
because your stories, Coach, it would always affirm me that I'm in the right path. Then, na tama yung ginagawa ko. All those hard work, all those, kumbaga, not everything is, kumbaga, flowers and not everything is easy, right? We've also have our fair share of rejections, yung mga
yes, yes.
struggles, but listening to this, no, listening to your story, how NLP and me has been also a part of your life, it's such a humbling experience, and also I'm so thankful and grateful for you and for the Lord for allowing me to be a witness and a servant in your life, Coach RJ.
Yeah.
So, alam mo, just a recap from what happened or just a recap from what we shared, what you've shared earlier. No? Ito yung mga parang points that resonated with me talaga, Coach, is yun nga, we have our own strengths. No? Focus on our own strengths. We have our own gifts. No? Don't compare yourself to others. And ang magaling, yung metaphor mo with the eagle talaga, nag-stick sa akin eh, na 'di ba? You can request, you can ask a dolphin to fly, no? If you're an eagle, no matter what they do, they have their own strengths. And imagine, coach, from someone who was thinking for themselves lang dati, who was a very kumbaga emotional, konting struggles lang nagbe-breakdown, and someone right now very sure, helping a lot of people, Coach RJ. You are such an very inspiring person, Coach RJ, no? And I know that 5 to 10 years or 20 years from now, grabe,
Yes.
thousands of people, you will be able to, kumbaga yung mga tao na matutulungan mo, libo-libo, Coach RJ. And the blessings na ibabalik din sa atin, no?
Yes.
Hindi rin. Kasi the more that we, kumbaga, become witnesses, the more that we help other people, the more that we become blessed din in our lives, no? Now, Coach RJ, if you could summarize your journey in one sentence, what would it be?
Ah, ano po, be intentional in delivering a performance of a lifetime. Kasi I always would say na if you're intentional, it would be easy for you to do things. And I want to say that more than just giving your best, I want to empower it with the NLP na yung ano po, 'di ba, we really choose our words
Yes.
to empower as well. So I always say na be intentional in always delivering a performance of a lifetime, because if you know that this could be your first and the last chance to do this thing, you would deliver a performance of a lifetime. Sabi ko, mag-pitch sa client, mag-deliver ng talk, do this guesting. So sabi ko, don't do it half-hearted. Do
Mm.
it with full conviction, with full intentionality, because you'll never know when will be the next time. And if there's a next time, at least you know that you would really surpass your previous best. Kaya, ay ano, coach yun eh, parang yung parang palaging sinasabi ng mga tao na parang grabe, nakaka-goosebumps kakausap, because I really need to empower people in the best way that I can, because when will be our next chance? Baka next year ulit, yung parang gano'n, sabi ko sa mga tao, baka next year ulit tayo magkausap. So right now, always leave that mark, always leave that impact with the best of your abilities, of your intentions, of your skills, because I read this quote somewhere, I just forget saan po, yung parang when the quote said, "When your heart is ready, your performance will follow." And you know your heart is ready when you have the right intentions, because my right intention brought me here in NLP, in you mentoring me, Coach Jun. So until na-certify na ako. And grabe talaga, Coach Jun, sabi ko, God had really provided for that investment, for my schedule, for my time, for kind clients. Wala po talagang naging friction.
Mm.
Yung ano ko na lang po, yung consistency and heart ko na lang po talaga yung na-test na, do you really want it? I really want it. I really want it. So, yun, again po, be intentional in always delivering a performance of a lifetime.
Woo! Ganda. Nare-reframe ako sa'yo. Ang ganda, ang ganda. I honor you, Coach RJ. Now, what's one powerful belief or mantra you now live by, no? Thanks to NLP?
Yes. Because
So,
ano po when I become intentional, even the little things like yung habit ko po sa morning, nababago ko na, may workout na, I read the Bible, I can read some books. Even with the food, I'm very intentional ano yung kakainin. Tapos I have unfriended a lot of people na hindi ko na po sila kilala, yung parang 5 years ago yung last naming usap. So parang my social media had been a connection now of intentional people as well. So parang the more that I say the word intentional, the world, the universe gets back to me na may intentional blessing na para sa akin talaga to, kasi pin-repair na ako long before here. So yun, coach, yun. What we give to the world, it gives us back. times 10, times 100. So always be intentional. Always do things right. Always do things with conviction, with integrity, and you will be so blessed beyond your imagination, beyond your dreams, because that's what happened to me. Kasi ano po ni-reveal na lang kayo in the right time when I'm already ready. Yung ready na ako sa lahat. Yun, hindi ako half-hearted nung pumasok ako sa NLP to learn more.
I agree.
Until now, bumabalik po yung ROI in terms of happiness, fulfillment, yung parang beyond na po talaga sa masusukat ng money.
Mm. I feel no na money is just kumbaga one of the ROIs
Yes,
that we got.
opo.
No? Syempre happy tayo kasi sobra-sobra. But
Yes,
the real ROI there is the relationship that we have for ourselves eh.
yes,
No, yung mapatawad natin yung sarili natin, yung ma-release natin yung mga past traumas natin, yung mga pabigat sa buhay natin, and being able to say no, no? Say no to other people that's causing us all those pain and
yes,
suffering. Dati parang wala tayong choice, and right now you could say na, hindi ka importante sa buhay ko, no? I deserve my peace. And,
yes,
meron pala tayong choice to do that in our life, no?
yes.
Now, Coach RJ, for anyone listening who feels stuck right now, no? Kasi alam ko maraming makakapanood nito. There's also a lot of people who will listen to this because we've started our podcast already. So, what's your message to them, Coach RJ?
You deserve all the good things in life. You deserve all the good things in life. Name it. A good relationship, a healthy career, very blessed na financial resources, forgiveness from people that you care about, restored connection, everything, even your self-confidence and self-worth. But what is it that's blocking you are negative patterns. For example, you would say, pwede na 'to, kaysa mangarap ako ng mataas, or parang, okey na kahit wala akong mapangasawa basta okey yung career ko. Do not settle for less because you deserve the best. You deserve everything that you're dreaming of. So why would you short shortchange yourself? Puwede mo namang hilingin lahat, eh.
Yeah.
Puwede mo hilingin lahat because when you already have that heart to believe na puwede rin pala 'to, puwede rin yung ganitong buhay, yung masagana ako, masaya ako, healthy ako, ibibigay yan sa'yo. Kasi ano ba yung sabi sa Bible, "Ask and you shall receive." Baka kaya hindi pa natin natatanggap kasi hindi pa natin hinihingi. So start to believe that you deserve it, and you know that you deserve it once you step up, you connect to the right people, you ask for help. You will not get all the answers in one day or in one week. I myself, it took me years before I get here. But I always trust the process. So believe that you deserve all the good things in life and the rest will follow. God will bless you beyond all your biggest dreams for as long as you start believing.
Ang galing, ang ganda, ang ganda. Ang ganda, ang ganda. Thank you, Coach RJ. It's just something that this is what I just love to hear, no? Love to listen to. Just such a humbling experience for me. And I could just say that the 5 years, the almost five years no, na journey that I did for NLP to be a master trainer, parang listening to you, to everyone else, something just assurance that we are all in the right path,
Yes.
Coach RJ, no? That kumbaga the Lord led us here to this
Yes.
path, no?
Yes.
So, are there any upcoming events that you want to promote, you want to share? How will people connect with you? And yeah, yung mga gusto magpa-coach din sa iyo, coach, no? So this is your opportunity to share what you're doing and are your plans moving forward in the future, coach.
Hello, I am RJ T. Vargas. I am a freelance sales copywriter and I call myself the Aligned Sage. So you can follow me in my Facebook, RJT Vargas. And you may also contact Coach June for more information about me. And if you really need help with a generalized overview, especially in mindset reframe, kung may kailangan kayong i-let go, may kailangan kayong stronger conviction, allow me to help you with my years of experience in copywriting, storytelling, self-publishing book, and NLP, timeline therapy. Kasi ako yung talagang confident in generalizing. So, whatever your worry is, I can help you strengthen your conviction. Kasi kahit hindi naman ako yung totally kailangan ninyo, I know powerful value givers around me whom I can recommend next. What I can give you when you get into my coaching call, one-on-one coaching call, is the conviction that you deserve all the best things in life, whether in career, finances, relationship. Imagine, gigising kayo one day, naiiyak na lang kayo, sinasabi nyo na buti na lang nilaban ko yung pangarap ko. And I want that for you. Because I got that for myself. I want that for you. And allow us na tulungan kayo, matulungan namin kayo ni Coach Jun sa paraan na masasabi niyo rin na salamat, nilaban ko yung pangarap ko. Nandito na ako ngayon.
Buti na lang nilaban ko yung pangarap ko. I agree, no? I agree. No, thinking about our journey, even for me.
Yes.
Ngayon na sinabi mo yan, I was reflecting eh. Kasi we could have settled for mediocrity if you think
Na
about
pwede na to.
Pwede
yung
na
mga
to. Hanggang dito na lang ako, no? But kumbaga, we decided that we deserve more. We deserve better. We deserve better in our life. Coach RJ, I would like to honor you. I pray, Coach RJ, that you will be blessed more, your family, and you keep on creating positive change in your life and other people's lives, Coach RJ. No, I pray to the Lord that the Lord will also be there for you always, just like how the Lord worked in my life, Coach RJ. Coach, I am so thankful and grateful for your time this evening. Grabe, sobrang dami ng valuable to everyone that's watching this, listening to this. Hindi kaya ng isang beses mo lang tong papanoorin, papakinggan. You listen and watch this as many times as you can kasi sobrang value packed. No, sobrang value packed. Kumbaga, this is how we roll it. This is our community. So we just want to give value to everyone so that you yourself watching this could also experience yung na-experience namin ni Coach RJ ngayon, no? Because alam ko that hindi ka nag-iisa. You have us. You have a community to support you. You have the right process. You have the right people, no? You have the right people to guide you in your journey. So again, Coach RJ, thank you very much for the love, the wisdom, the sage advice, no? The even ako, naku-coach mo ako dito lang, no? And it's such a humbling experience, no, Coach RJ. Thank you so much, Coach RJ.
Thank you, Coach June. It's an honor to give back to where I started as well.
Once again, I'm June Acevedo. I'm Mindset Mastery and Transformational Leadership Coach and a certified neuro-linguistic programming trainer. I help entrepreneurs and business leaders break through mental and emotional barriers, develop unshakable confidence, and master high-performance strategies so you can scale your business, influence with impact, and achieve unstoppable success using powerful tools in neurolinguistic programming, hypnotherapy, and timeline therapy. Do you want to reprogram your mindset for unstoppable success? DM me, transform, and let's chat.